Welcome to Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. This is Phương Ly. Today, I want to share a very healthy and delicious dish from zucchini, shrimps, and tomatoes. To make this recipe, I will use grape tomatoes. They're really sweet and crunchy, and it's the best when I get to pick them fresh from my garden. So are these zucchini. They are from my garden too. They are very choppy compared to store-bought. Are you ready for this awesome dish? Let's get to it. First, I will cook the shrimps in boiled water for 1 minute and let them cool down. I now cut all the tomatoes in half and put aside. Then I will cut off both ends of the zucchini and slice in half. Scoop out the middle part of the zucchini. This middle part will make the dish become soggy, so I don't want that. Then slice them thinly. I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix them all up and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will need about half cup of chopped green onion and mince about 5 cloves of garlic. Add in 1 cut hot chili. This chili I also have it in the garden too, and it's really spicy, so I need only 1. I now add in 1.5 tablespoons of fish sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of hot olive oil. Mix well. Add in about 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice. Now that I'm done with the sauce, I'm gonna transfer the shrimp into the big bowl. I then add in the sauce. Followed by adding the tomatoes. I now squeeze out the juice from the zucchini. Remember to squeeze out about 85 to 90% of the juice. Mix well together and voila, it's done. It's sweet, sour, savory, and spicy, all combined together. Really yummy. That's it, everyone. Please give this recipe a try. I guarantee you will love it. Thank you for watching Vietnamese home cooking. Bye bye.